The next set of fields has to do with the physical size of the document. In this field, you enter the width and just below, the height. Let's enter 1175 for width and 900 for height and keep it in pixels. So now, what is a pixel? A pixel is the simplest unit of a monitor, and your monitor is made out of tiny dots running across those screens. Well, those tiny dots are pixels. The screen resolution of your computer is determined by how many of those tiny dots run across the monitor. Here is an illustration of both my monitors. The smaller monitor measures at 1280 by 800 pixels, and the larger goes up to 2560 by 1080 pixels. So in other words, my small computer 1280 pixels horizontally and 800 pixels vertically, while my larger one goes from 2560 horizontally and 1080 vertically, all in pixels. Then comes the question about handling large documents. If my screen resolution is only 1280 pixels across, how can it fit a document of 2000 pixels across? Here's a screenshot on how a 2000 by 2000 pixel document appears in Photoshop. If you look on the upper left of this document, you will see 33.3%. That's 33.3% of the original size of this document. So, in other words, if the document dimensions are larger than the computer's screen resolution, Photoshop shrinks the canvas for us to work on.